do and do business while the PIDEA is doing a 24-hour surveillance for 3 months. I don't know if you can answer that, Mr. Chairman. You're smarter than I. Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Okay, thank you. General Wilkins, question lang, no? Si Johnson Chua, who is allegedly the biggest drug lord in Davao, sinurveillance nyo rin yan.
Actually, yung Johnson Chua, Mr. Chair, is lumabas lang dun sa toll log namin. Wala kaming muka until nung after sa clandestine laboratory operation.
Nagkaroon na siya ng muka.
Nagkaroon siya ng muka, Mr. Chair. Kaya kung makikita nyo dun sa picture kanina, Johnson Chua, silhouette.
Oo.
So, ang priority namin talaga, Mr. Chair, is Johnson Chua, who is the financier, Alan C., who is the operations officer, and Alex Kim, yung nag-rent ng Dumoy